Welcome to the Amazon Affiliate Program. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Head over to Amazon Associates Central to begin your journey. Look for the Sign Up button and click on it to initiate the process. Sign in using your existing Amazon account or create a new one. Fill out the Amazon Associates application form. Provide your preferred Associates store ID, details about your content, and information about your traffic sources. Specify the websites or mobile apps where you plan to display Amazon affiliate links. Confirm if your content is directed at children under 13. Agree to the terms and conditions outlined by Amazon. Complete the application process, and you're on your way. Once temporarily approved, you'll gain access to Associates Central. Later, you'll need to input payment and tax information. Be aware of the 180-day rule. If your affiliate links don't generate qualified sales in that period, your application may be withdrawn. Congratulations on successfully creating your Amazon Associates account. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make the most out of your affiliate marketing experience. Happy earning! If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!